What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Rails of Mass. At the end of March 2026, the Needham Junction Y has been brush cut by Keolis. This is the first time in years that we've seen this section of line wide open. Over by the station area, there's a lot of ties marked with orange spray paint. It's very clear with the tie replacement project right around the corner. The fact that all the trees have been cut out here leads me to believe that they may use the Y to turn on-track equipment during the tie replacement project. It's been about 20 years since the last full-size train came through here, and it honestly would be very nice to see any kind of equipment on this section of line. Oh, and by the way, that's Zeus, our newest channel mascot. It appears the brush cutting work made it to, but not beyond, the High Rock Street overpass. This is the view looking from the bridge towards the end of track, and the other direction looking back towards Needham Center. Although it still looks like there's some cleanup work to do here, that's the first time we've seen the switch stand that accessible in many years. While some ties have been dropped off at Needham Junction behind the Roche Brothers area, there are many more ties here at Needham Heights and Malayover Yard waiting to be installed, so this might be a larger project for the line. I'm not sure when this tie replacement project is slated to begin, but we'll definitely be back to try to catch some of the work as it happens, and hopefully see some equipment on the unused section of track. Now returning to Needham Junction, we're going to take a deeper look at some of the brush cutting here. This area right here was by far the most overgrown, and it's honestly amazing you see the track just wide open like this. There wasn't much but a narrow walking path left here last time I came through. Flying over the High Rock Street Bridge, you can see the end of track and the beginning of the Bay Colony Rail Trail. It's definitely interesting to see this project happening so close to home, and we'll definitely be back to see how things develop. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and stay tuned for future updates. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.